The form a product takes should make their use clearer, and industrial design focuses on physical products, their forms, ergonomics, which refers to designing for human use, materials, manufacturing, user interaction, and aesthetics. These products include chairs, tools, and appliances. Mechanical or product engineering design focuses on function, mechanisms, tolerances, structural performance, and manufacturability. For example, we have hinges, gear systems, fixtures, machine assemblies, enclosures, and so on. Digital product design focuses on apps, websites, software tools, and dashboards, including user flows, interfaces, infrastructure. Examples include banking apps and e-commerce sites. Service design focuses on users' journey across touchpoints before, during, and after use. For example, the service design of a hospital include booking appointment, waiting experience, payment, treatment flow, and communication. Designers of physical products should have knowledge of materials such as polymers, wood, metals, and composites. Manufacturing methods, which includes additive and subtractive methods such as injection molding, CNC machining, sheet metal forming, casting, extrusion, forging, 3D printing, and vacuum forming. Then we have design for manufacturability or assembling, and it involves designing products so they are easier to manufacture, cheaper to produce, easier to assemble, and less prone to error.